So I want you to pay close attention while we read our book, Alligator Alphabet, and look for the letters in your name. See what animals they use, how they're drawn, all the fun stuff. We'll ask questions along as we go. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for camel. Chase us if you dare. D is for dolphin. Yes. E is for emu. It's a really big bird. F is for fox and for fish and ferret too. Oh my gosh, look at all those F's. G is for giraffe and H is for horse. Yes. I is for iguana and impala too, of course. J is for jaguar. Oh, look at the mama and the baby. Or is that daddy and baby? Either way. K is for kangaroo. L is for llama and for lion too. That's right, Lincoln. That's the name, the letter that your name starts with. M is for monkey. N is for newt. A newt is like a lizard that likes to be wet and in the water all the time. O is for owl. We hunt and we hoot. P is for pandas. Those are Miss Amanda's favorite. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. We have fluffy white tails. Do you see their little fluffy tails? Yeah, pretty cute, huh? S is for sloth. T is for trout. U is for umbrella bird. We like to fly about. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for Zuna, moth. We flutter as we move. Y is for yak. We have long, shaggy hair. Z is for zebra. We gallop here and there. Now you know your alphabet all the way through. Can you name the letters on these pages too? See if we can do a couple of them. What is that one? That's a panda. Remember, that's Miss Amanda's favorite animal. What does it start with? A P. And what was this one? L for lion and Lincoln. Okay, one last one. And we're going to go with, what's this? Remember that slow animal? A sloth. And whose name in our class starts with the letter? With that letter. Sophie. Good job, guys. We're going to continue to read this book throughout the week and get to know our alphabet a little bit better. But right now, we're going to go ahead and get ready to go to lunch. Okay, guys? Great job today.